Hello and welcome to a beautiful day in Wicklow. Okay, it's raining. Today what I'm doing is I am just exploring a trail that leads down to a river. It's a particular stretch of river that I've wanted to get to for so long. So the river's just down there. I can see it on the map. I can see the ridge line over there, so I know the river's in that direction. So what I'm doing today is I have the bare bones minimum, and I'll show you exactly that now. So what I have is, this is my normal rucksack, trowel on the side, machete because I thought the place is going to be more overgrown. It's not. One gold pan and one classifier, and that's it. In the bag is just the bag for the camera, a drink and a sandwich, and that's it. So I don't know if I'm actually going to get down to the river today. Half of the adventure is just trying to get there, but sure, look, isn't that half the fun of it? So let's crack on with it. Let's slice our way through bushes. Let's get down to the river. Let's go find the shiny. Remember earlier when I said half the adventure is getting to it? I can see from the mountains that I know the river is in that general direction. In fact, I can see the little mini tree line that sits in front of the river. Actually, look, I can see a bit of a game trail down that way. That is leading to where I want to be. Right, let me see, is that strong? That's strong enough, yeah. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grip onto this tree and basically just almost kind of abseil backwards using the tree as an anchor. If you ever look at any of the prospectors who go out and get really good gold, it's because they go to places that other people cannot be bothered to, or just people just look at it and go, yeah, grand, I'm not walking up that hill, or something like that. You're looking at a river going, not walking up the hill, not upside down that cliff. If you can go where other people cannot be bothered, or other people just say, no, I'm not doing it, then you'll find gold. And that's what we're doing today. Just crack on with it. Let's go find the shiny. Okay, cancel that. I was working at it for about 10-15 minutes, got a decent bit way through where the large gorse bush, not this one here, the one down there in the middle of the shot, or that one is, that's where I need to get to. So only a few hundred meters away and I found the access point. I can actually see the river from here. Now bear in mind, as I say, I only have a trowel with me, a 1/2-inch classifier and a pan and just my regular boots, so I won't get a whole lot done, but at the very least I'll get to look at the river, do maybe 1, maybe 2 pans in total, and we'll get a rough idea of what's here. Oh ho, she's in flood today. It's been a lot of rain over the last couple of days, so which is good, because I tell you one thing, the country needed a drop of water, but by God is it been raining. Oh yeah. Oh, now we're talking. Nice one, trying not to fall over. Yes. Wow, look at the redness of those rocks. Oh wow. I've only ever looked at this from aerial shots. Never seen in reality. I'd imagine they're slippy rocks. Wow, this is cool. Right. Right, let's crack along with it. Let's go do some test panning in. Let's go find the shiny. Okay, so we've got a nice little boulder here. My only tool I have a plastic trowel that's not going to last 5 minutes with these rocks. So I have this little mini pry bar and a bag, and all I'm doing is just scraping into the cracks in here. This is going to be tricky. This is true crevicing. Okay, without the water's edge, I'll try and find some flat rocks that I can kneel down on just for a second. This is not going to be very comfortable, but if it gets the job done, that's the main thing. It's going to be a very quick pan. Okay, let's have a look here. Nice dark material there. Oh, hang on. Flashed me pan there. I think, oh, gold! Oh, yes! The first test pan. Okay, one piece of gold, but that's one piece of gold from one test pan. Right behind here. With the water on the screen, it's hard to see what you can see, but I had the lens sitting over where the gold is, so it should be easy enough for me to zoom in afterwards. That is fantastic. The whole point of today is to get down and find access to rivers. Like, that's why I didn't bring the sluice, sugar tube, bucket. I didn't bring any of those things because I wanted to find access to the river. Now I found it. Now I have a route into towards the river. Hope you've enjoyed today's episode of opening up access to big rivers in search of very big gold. If you like this video, chances are you like the videos that are previously posted and the ones that we post in the future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and sure, catch the next one. We can all go. I'm more shiny. Bye bye.